weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lorain County until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:44 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 6 miles north of Wellington and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Grafton, North Ridgeville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lorain County, Ohio. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ashland County, southeastern Richland County until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Belleville and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Loudonville, Hayesville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland and Richland. Urgent weather message. For the following county: Huron County, Ohio. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 88, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Huron County, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 88 has been issued from 1:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Huron County, Ohio.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB 59 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for Northeast Ohio over station KHB 59 from Chetland on a frequency of 162.550 MHz.